Today, we are stepping into the model. It's a remarkable home. It's perfect for families seeking the rare combination of expensive space and urban convenience. A home of grand proportion, tailored to your precise specification. A custom-designed 6,000 square feet residence built on 90-foot lot in a city where land is at premium, boasting with 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, perfect for extended family or those who simply appreciate the finer things. Think of this, a private oasis within the city, a place where you can host gatherings, entertain dignitaries, or simply unwind in unparalleled comfort. This home is built in C shape, embracing a shimmering pool, floor-to-ceiling sliding doors creates a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living. Imagine the possibilities for entertaining, for creating those lasting family memories. Modern staircases, built-in luxury throughout, every detail speaks to a life well lived. For those who demand the best, who understands the value of space and location, Harvest Green offers you unparalleled opportunities. We are here at Partners in Building with George in Harvest Green, one of the best neighborhood for agriculture and more. Here, let George talk to you.
Hello. So out here in Harvest Green, we have 90-foot gated section. We are looking at a starting price of 1.5 and up. We have homes that are over the 3 million range, and we're 90-foot lots. Average lot size about 13,000 square foot. And again, in a gated section in Harvest Green. Full custom capabilities in this section.
I guess that really means a lot, having a full custom capability, because a lot of people have very niche requirement. Thank you, George. Hope you enjoyed this tour. If you like it and you want to know more, be sure to contact me at 713-398-6566. I'm Sonal Shah. I'm a realtor in Houston suburban area. Talk to you soon.